Good morning, students. Students of class 10, welcome to your English grammar class. Students, in last class, we have started subject verb agreement, and in that class, we have already discussed introductory there, how there takes verb as per its real subject, and also how it is used when it expresses about distance, weather, and time. It takes singular verb. Students, let us discuss today when a plural number applies to a distance, time, weights, amounts of money, and represents a single figure or quantity, it is treated as singular and it takes a singular verb. Students, in the beginning, I have already told you it is the task of ours to identify the subject, whether the subject is singular or plural. If subject is singular, it will take singular verb, and if subject is plural, it will take plural verb. Similarly, 50, I want to give you some examples in which they express single figure or a quantity or time, weights, or amounts of money. They represent singular subject, that's why they will take singular verb. Students, I want to give you some examples. 50 kilometer is not a long distance in these days of rapid travel. 60 years is a long time. 2 kilos of tea costs 600 rupees. 5 rupees is not a big sum. In these examples, they represent, students, time, weights, distance, amounts of money. So, they will take singular verb. Similarly, they have taken singular verb. Next, if two nouns joined by and are regarded as single object or notion, the verb is singular. Similar, students, I want to state you some examples. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. This bread and butter are joined with the conjunction and they expresses a single object. That's why is used here as singular subject. Truth and honesty is the best policy. Curry and rice was his favorite food. These things express a single object or notion. That's why the verb is singular. Next, in other cases, two singular or plural of subjects joined by and make the total subject plural, which takes a plural verb. Example, Gopal and his sister have come. Means Gopal and his sister, these two subjects are joined with the conjunction and it expresses plural. That's why have is used here as plural verb. Two boys and three girls have written their essays. Students, these two subjects, two boys and three girls are joined with conjunction and they express plural subjects. That's why happy is used as plural verb. Students, another example I want to give you. A collective noun in the singular may take verb in the singular if the speaker thinks of the thing as a singular whole. If individual members of the collective noun are considered, the collective noun can take a plural verb. Make the following sentences. The jury were divided in their opinion. It expresses the member of the jury. That's why it expresses plural. That's why it has been taken where as plurals. Similarly, this example can be given in other way. The jury has selected its chairman. That means it expresses as one body. That's why singular subject has is used here. The committee was unanimous on this issue. It expresses singular unit. That's why it is a singular subject and singular verb is used here. The committee were divided on this issue. This committee expresses here individual members. Means this is subject or this collective noun expresses your plural subject. That's why where is used as plural verb. Students, some nouns like police, people, poultry, kettle, etc. usually take plural verbs. Students, example, the police have not made any arrests. The people of India are concerned about their spiritual welfare. The poultry have been fed. The cattle are grazing in the field. Students, what I told you, the above examples, they are all plural. That's why plural verbs have been used here. The nouns like clothing, food, furniture, stationery, cutlery, cookery, jewelry, scenery usually take singular verb. Example, his clothing is very attractive. Food is necessary for living. The furniture needs to be repaired. The stationery is sold in this shop. Students, what I told you, the examples, they are all singular. That's why singular verb has been used. Students, I have given you an activity. You will try your best to answer them correctly. Thank you.